Hello, today I've come on to show you the cards that I've made for my niece. Now I say cards because we are going up on Friday to see her and her birthday's not until Sunday. Basically because of all the obviously restrictions that are in place at the moment, we're sort of spreading out visits between the family. So we're going on the Friday. So first of all, I've made her this card. Now you might remember that I've been making her a card every month. So it's been sort of like a happy 11-month birthday and things like that. So I've made her this card for Friday, which says Lottie won today, and then I've put almost in brackets, so she can open that when we're there. This is obviously a Winnie Pooh and Piglet die. I've used the Winnie Pooh Key to My Heart die to pop Winnie Pooh there. I've coloured him with alcohol markers, and then the Piglet actually comes from this one, which is a present for you, and you actually get 2 dies with this one. Yeah, so I'm just cut him from there, and then I've cut the present out because I didn't want the present, I just wanted him to look more like he was going in for a hug with Winnie the Pooh. The backing paper is die cuts with a view. I picked it up from a boot sale and it had a few pages missing, so yeah, so that was just it, and I thought, well, let's try and get some more of it used. So I've used that as backing sheet. It's actually, I think it's an 8x8, so I've trimmed it down slightly obviously and gone around the edge with a black marker pen. Winnie the Pooh has got a shiny nose, I'm not sure, there we are. So I've just coloured that in black because the nose actually comes out. You can see that on here. I've cut this one for the front. I'm actually going to colour that in and then stick it down, but I haven't had a chance yet. Yeah, and obviously I've given him some black eyes as well, just so you can see more of the definition. And the Lottie and the number 1 are woodware stamps. I've had them ages. They're patchwork ones obviously, and I've used distress markers to colour those in. Now I've used 2 sheets of the backing paper. So I've used obviously this one here, but this is another one, and I have cut out various parts of it and stuck those over, so we've actually got some layers. You can just about see that there. Yeah, so that is her one to receive on Friday when we visit. I also used the piglet die to cut some piglets as labels for the presents. Now I actually got her 5 presents, but because I kind of ordered to run late because it was a last minute, oh, I've got to get her this as well. Yeah, so I've got 4 labels so far, and that hasn't yet arrived. But I have got, so this is the piglet die, and as you can see, it cuts out really well. Yeah, and I've just coloured them in with some distress markers, and I can put some ribbon or probably a piece of thread, because it's quite a small hole, through the hole there and hang them as tags. Yeah, I just have one more to colour for that gift that I'm waiting for, and then I'll be able to put them all on the parcels. And this is Lottie's actual birthday card, so this is the one she'll open on Sunday. I've used the Winnie Pooh die again, and it's this one, a present for you, that comes with the piglet. I haven't used the piglet this time because I didn't, in fact if it had gone that way, which obviously it doesn't cut that way, that would have looked great, but like this, I just, yeah, I didn't think that worked. So I've just got Pooh, I've coloured him in with alcohol markers, and again he's got a glossy accents nose, although it wasn't quite dry, and I managed to sit something on top of it, went away and did something else, came back, and he had a little flat nose, so he's got a bit of a matte nose rather than the shine, and also it's a bit like a button, but I think actually it's quite cute. I've used that same backing paper. This time I've gone around the edge in tea dye distress ink. I've used my pens again for the patchwork numbers and letters. And yeah, that's it. We've just got this little robin or bird up here on this one, but it does look very similar to the non-birthday card. I was quite pleased that they sort of go together as if they're some sort of set, so I'm very happy with them, and I hope that Lottie will be too. That is everything for now. What I did mean to share was one of the presents that I made for Lottie, which is a sunflower felted fairy. I got that from the makers, so I'll leave a link down in the description box. I'm just going to put a couple of pictures at the end because I meant to add it to the video, but I've already wrapped it up and I don't want to unwrap it, obviously. Yeah, so I'll just put in a couple of stills at the end, and as I said, a link to their website. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and until next time, cheerio.